warheads and they're sour candies. Do you like sour candies? Okay. So I'll let you pick a color. Which color would you like? Pick one. The green one, you're going to have apple flavor today. And this is your first warhead. There we go, dear.
I don't like that to take.
It's okay. Okay, now give it a taste and see if you need the whole bag. You can have the whole bag if you like them. Okay, eat it. Put it in your mouth.
Sourdough.
Yeah, it is sour. Put it in your mouth. Have a good taste. Put it right in and close your mouth. I bought those for you. What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome. What's wrong?
It's sour in my mouth.
It's okay. Try it again.
I don't like to put it in my mouth.
Just one more for Mom. You don't have to. Okay, don't then. I just want to make sure you don't like them.
I'm going to take it from him.
No!
Mom, just let him try it. Okay, try it one more time. Just put it in. Good stuff. You can have the whole bag. It's good.
What's that? Mm-hmm. I drink around these.
Yeah. So that's your first warhead. Is it delicious? Something wrong with that.